Let's review the turret armor for the next-gen MBT.
Right, the composite layering looks solid.
Good. Rotate the model. How's the APS integration?
The radar arrays are placed, no interference.
Let's rotate the turret assembly.
Torque specs are updating.
Check the engine bay, integrating the changes.
Armor efficiency looks good.
Crane is live. Plates coming up.
Copy, chain secure, lift slow.
Watch the swing. Clear the path. Steady. 10 feet to drop.
Pressure is steady. Kerf looks good. Maintain the speed. Dross is minimal. All right, bring it down slow.
Watch the cables on the left.
Copy, hydraulic pressure is stable.
Good contact. Now align it.
Locked in, secure the bolts.
Arm 2, adjust arc angle to 45 degrees. Copy, adjusting, penetration looks good. Good, monitor heat on the next seam.
All right, lower it slow and steady.
Got it, guiding left side.
Right side aligned, bring it down.
Contact, lock it in.
Bolts going in, tighten up.
Lowering into position. Watch the alignment.
Left beam is tracking, holding steady.
Stop. Check the gap. Clear on this side. Secure it. Good work.
Weld integrity is holding. Check the arc stability.
Confirm, no anomalies. Proceeding to the next sequence.
Good, let's inspect the seams.
Alignment looks good, secure that shaft. Confirmed, wiring is clear. Align the head carefully. Got it. Lifting now. Good. Secure the bolts. Tightening now. Set. Next section.
Shaft alignment is off by 2 millimeters.
Got it. Adjusting the housing now.
Torque to spec, looks good.
Okay, line it up. Ready for the bolts. Got it, holding steady. Looks good, tighten it. Link's hot, moving to assembly. Aligning the pins now. Welds look solid, good to go.
The engine is stable, ready for the turret.
Confirmed. Track systems are aligned.
Good, proceed with the assembly.
All right, bringing it down slow. Left side, adjust forward, forward. Hold it steady there. Looks good. Secure the bolts.
Check the alignment on these blades.
Looks good, no play.
Rotate it slowly, let's see.
Smooth, we're clear.
Align the shaft there. Got it meshing now. Need the torque wrench. Yeah, and check the seals.
Alignment looks good on the tablet.
Confirmed. Locking it in.
Ready for the crane.
Clear. Bring it over.
Engaging lock now.
Check the blade alignment. I'll get the calipers.
Roger that, controls are stable.
Good. Let's measure the tolerance now.
Holding steady and deviations.
Within spec, let's log it. Check the blade alignment. I'll get the calipers.
Roger that, controls are stable.
Good. Let's measure the tolerance now.
Holding steady and deviations.
Within spec, let's log it.
Initiating spin up for balancing test.
Readings are stabilizing, watching for vibrations. Adjusting dampeners now, watch the graph.
Vibrations are decreasing. Good.
All right, lower it slow and steady. Copy. A little to the left. Hold. Perfect alignment. Securing now. Good contact. Locked in. Good work. Securing the sensor hub now. Alignment looks good. Good. Check the drivetrain. Drivetrain connection secured. Verify mechanical alignment.
Let's start routing these harnesses through the main compartment. Got it. I'll secure the pathways. Careful with the bends here.
Connection is secure, checking it now. Good, looks solid.
Inserting module into bay 1.
Roger. Aligning connectors.
Secured, checking diagnostics.
Green lights. Next module.
Linkage alignment next, check the specs. Got it, rods secure. Inside now, track the routing.
Path looks good. Aligned to the joint.
Tightening, confirm lock.
Lock good.
Mounting sensors now.
Copy. Ready for the seat.
Console synced, harnessing seat.
Seat locked, checking integrity.
Good, moving to controls. All right, let's connect the comm modules.
Connecting now. Stand by.
Good. Check the sync.
Sync is green. All modules integrated.
Excellent work.
Check the alignment on that mount.
Looks good. Passing the bracket now.
Good. I'll start routing the harness.
Copy that. Securing the connection.
Initiating power sequence. Systems are green. Copy that. Monitoring hull integrity. Tracks are locked. Ready for cockpit. Powering up displays. Watch for anomalies. Cockpit is nominal. All systems go. Power pack efficiency is down to 84%. Check the transmission torque graph. I'm seeing a spike in engine temp. Right. Let's reroute auxiliary power. Confirmed. All systems green. Powering up. Copy. Tracks engaged. Advance to test position. Moving forward. All clear.
Final walk-around checks complete.
Driver in position.
Commander descending. All clear, proceed. Hatches secured, systems green.
Initiating ignition sequence.
Dashboard systems activating.
Engine start confirmed. Vibrations normal.
Exhaust clear, systems green.
Engine idling heavy. Monitoring systems.
Roger. Throttle response test commencing.
Copy. Testing now.
Vibrations in spec. Exhaust clear.
Command, Unit 1, moving forward on Sector 7. Copy, Unit 1. Maintain visual on target area.
All crew, prepare for acceleration.
Copy, driver. Systems green. Accelerating now. Hold on. Dust is heavy. Visibility dropping.
Copy. Pushing through.
Keep it steady. Power through. Mound ahead. Brace for impact. Engine straining, but we're gripping well.
Roger. Keep steady.
Almost at the crest. Hold on.
Copy. Looks good.
Apollo moving out. Dust is heavy.
Copy, Apollo, right flank clear.
Sharp right now. Tracks are holding. Left turn incoming. Gravel spray.
Tracks are clear. Suspension looks solid. Copy. Checking the turret alignment. Rear systems green, no leaks. Driver to crew, systems green. Standing by. Copy, driver. Running pre-op checks.
Rear station clear, no contact.
Right station, all sensors nominal. Roger. Prepare for movement.
Control, begin clockwise rotation test.
Copy, rotating turret clockwise.
Rotation is smooth, no anomalies. Confirmed, complete the sweep. Sweep complete, turret holding.
Stabilization active, watch the ruts.
Copy, hydraulic pressure is steady. Comms say, track grip is good.
Confirmed, all systems green.
Control vehicle pre-check complete. Moving to position. Copy. Turret systems green. Roger. Clear to advance. Advancing now. Watch the treads. Treads clear. You're good.
Target acquired. Firing now.
Direct hit. Recoil nominal. Systems green. Reloading.
Engine temps are stable, checking sensors. Copy. Optics are green. Suspension looks solid, no leaks. Good, log it. Roger, all systems green. Confirmed.
Check the tracks first.
Spraying the side now.
Readings look good here.
Exterior is clean.
Good. Let's wrap it up.
Team, confirm tank status for transfer. Tracks and hull secure. Proceeding with checks.
Copy, engine idle confirmed.
Final checks complete. Ready for movement.
Convoy, proceed to gate. Watch the dust.
Copy, rolling out.
Keep formation tight.
Affirmative. On your lead.